of what the weight is in pounds. So it's 79.7 kilograms. Any questions? Pretty basic stuff, right? Okay, we're going to try something a little more complicated. I will guarantee if you can answer the problems on this worksheet, this, students have told me, is harder than the test. So if you understand these problems that we're doing today, you'll be fine. Trust me. I've been doing this a while. So you'll see a basic question like this. You'll see the 5 rights. You'll probably see an intake, like 4 and 5. But I want to show you number 6, because this is probably where many of the students get confused. So I want to walk you through a really complicated problem. And let me point out, I'm not a nurse, so I don't know what some of the verbiage means, but I don't need to know. Like, well, the next problem I'll show you what I'm talking about. So number 6 looks a little different from the 2 problems we were just working on, right? But it's set up the same way. What's the unit of measurement that we're starting with?
Milligrams?
Yep. And now we look at what is the unit of measurement that the answer is calling for?
Milliliters?
Milliliter. Oh. We're working with milligrams. All right, now I have to look then. You've got the starting unit, you've got the ending unit. Now we have to look and see what's available to us that either has milligram included or milliliter included. So it's a something per something, either with milligram or with milliliter. Do you see a something per something?
Mm-hmm.
What do you see?
4,000 micrograms for every 5 milliliter.
Okay, microgram per milliliter. But we don't have micrograms, we have milligrams. What do you think we have to do?
Convert micrograms to milligrams.
Stop. You should be teaching this.
I can't see the board.
Okay, so as Camille said, we have to convert from milligram to microgram. And then you can put in what's available to us. Now, I tell students to set it up like this without the numbers, just because, again, moving forward in your classes ahead of you, there could potentially be a problem with 3 or 4 steps to it. You set up the problem first without the numbers, so that you now double check. I can cancel out milligram. I can cancel out microgram. And what's the answer calling for? Milliliter. I've got milliliter. That makes sense? So this is what's ordered. This is the conversion step. And this is what's available to us. Okay, so now we can go in and plug the numbers in. So we have 8. What goes here?
1,000 on top.
1,000.
And a 1 on the bottom.
Yep. And then here? What's available to us? 4,000 what? Yep. And that was the 5 mils, right? Now, I'd like to show, this is kind of goofy, but this is what I like to tell students about, you know, what a math geek I am. So if I multiply the top across, and the bottom, now watch this, this is really exciting. What's 40 divided by 4?
10.
10!
get in your head.